Well, here you can see I've started to assemble the top and bottom pieces. Here's a detail of the corner. You can see I've pop riveted all corner places for rivet inside here as well, and then these are the uprights. And we're going to be putting pop rivets here, and here, and here, so it gives a good strength. So we'll run these along each of the sides, and then we'll start putting some diagonals for strength this way, and some lateral pieces in the bottom as we go along. So here's the progress so far, and we'll get back to you soon. Okay, well, here we are with an update. Here's the finished frame, and as you can see, I've added diagonals on each side of each corner, so that strengthens it so it doesn't go back and forth this way. I've also added four pieces of strap steel on each corner, so that'll prevent it from tweaking. So next step is the wooden planks. We'll get to those soon.